Today we are going to see how you can create a whiteboard animation video using the Benin app. Open the app, then this is how the interface of the app is going to look. Click on the plus, give the name of your video. Then you can click the drop down to choose the format of your video, either for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook or any other platform. I'm going with this one, the 16:9 ratio. Okay, then I click on create movie. On home page of where you can edit the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to add text, so I click on text, then I'll write my text here. I'll click on insert. Then I want to increase the size of the text. I'll increase from here. You can use this upward arrow and downward arrow, or you can just double click on it, then add the figure that you want to increase the size to. I want to go with 35. You can see now. So I'll select the text again. Now come to center alignment here. Okay, and I'll use this particular size down here to increase the size a little bit big. Okay, now I want to change the font of the text, so I'll click here and I'll come to font. By the way, they don't have a lot of fonts, so some few one. So I'm going to use this particular one, the Roboto. If I'm working now, I can click here. I can also, for now, I'll come to the animation section. You can see delay. We have delay, duration and pause. I will leave my delay to 0, my pause to 0. Then I'll click the duration to 5, okay, or 6. This is the time the hand is going to use to draw the text. Now let's play our first video to see how it's going to look. You can see it's a little bit faster. So let's select the text again. Select the text and come to duration, increase it to 7 to 8. That one maybe to be slow small. You can see now. Yes. Do you need graphic designer? Okay. If you are done with the first slide, you can click on the plus here to add the second one. The second one, I'm going to start with the text again, so I click on the text here to write my text. Now if you are done writing your text, click on insert. You can see the text is too much, so I come to center alignment. I'll click here, okay, and I'll reduce the size from here, okay, and I'll use this particular line, the size button, to arrange my text well. Okay, yes, I want my text like this. Then I'll move at the top small, something like this. Okay, now the duration again, I'm going to increase it to 5. Okay, since the text is plenty, so I'll make the duration a little bit faster. Okay, let me select it, select the text, come to duration, then increase it to 5 or 6. Okay, then I'm going to add my logo here. So how will I add the logo? I'll come here, I'll come to sticker. Okay, I already have the logo here. You can see I have the logo here. So if you don't have here, you have to click on the add image. Okay, if you click on add image, they will take you to your folder where you can select your image or any other thing that you want to import. If you are done, they'll ask you to crop it. So I'm going to crop and continue. You can see automatically the image has been added here. So now I can reduce the size from here. Okay, and I will bring it down here. I think I'll reduce the size again, and I'll bring it down here. Then the duration, I'm going to increase the duration to 6. Okay, then let's play and see how it look. I'll select this particular one, since it's the number 2 slide that I'm going to play, and I'll click on the play icon here. It's faster, so it's too fast, so I'll select it. Then the duration I'm going to give 8, because the person will not be able to read it. Okay, so you need to consider that. You can see now the person can take his time and read it. Now if you are done, you click on the plus again to add another slide. Okay, I'm going to write a text again. Insert. See, I'll click on the center alignment again, and I'll move the text up small. Okay, and I'm going to bring my logo here again, so I'll click on the sticker here, and I'll click on my logo to add it. You can see now I can reduce the size. This time around I'm not going to use the hand drawing animation, so I'm going to click on this particular energy icon down here to add animation. You can see, so I'm going to add this particular one. I'm going to add this one to see how it look like. Then I can increase the duration to maybe 4, and I'll bring my logo down small and select the text slide. Since that is the only one that I want to play and see, I can click here now. Now I will select the text. Since it's too faster, I'll make it slow small, so I'll increase to 8. Okay, then let's play and see. Now if I'm okay, I'll click on the plus again to go to the next slide. Okay, then I'll select it. I'm going to write the first service, so I'll click on the text, double click on it. Okay, and I'll move it at the top here. I'll bring it here. Okay, then I'll increase the duration to 7. I want to add animation to this particular text, so then I'll come to hand here and select this particular default one and click here. Let's play. You can see, but you can see it's too slow. Reduce the duration to 5. Yes, then I'll click on the sticker to add some sample of my logo. Okay, I'll click on this particular one first, and I'll click here to reduce the size and bring it here. Okay, you can increase the duration maybe to 4. Click on the sticker again. If you don't have your element, you can just click add image, then select them from your gallery and place it here. Okay, then I'm going with this one. Okay, I can reduce the size, place it here. If I'm okay, I'll make the duration to 4. Okay, I can click to the sticker again, and I'll go with this one. Okay, I'll go with only maybe reduce the size small. This one too, I'll increase the size small. I'll go with only 3, so that the video will not be too long. Click on this one and place them where you want. Now select this one. I will give duration to 4. And select it, then play and see.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. So if you're okay now, you can click here the plus. Okay, click on the plus to go forward, and click on it again and go to text. I'm going to write business card and bring at the top here. Okay, you can click here to change the font if you want. You can change the font. Don't forget that you can also click on the black icon here to change the color of the text. Okay, let's say I want to go with blue and click OK. Then I'll change the duration to 4. Alright. Now I can click on the sticker and bring my sample business card. I'll click on this one. I'll reduce the size. Okay, I'll bring it here. Duration to 4. Click here again. Click here. Bring it here. And place it where you want. Increase the duration to 4. Okay, click on the sticker again. Okay, I'll bring this one. Okay, and place it here. Right, I'm going to increase the duration to 4 and let's select it. Okay, select that particular slide and play to see how your video look like. If you think that the slide is too slow, you can select it and decrease the duration. Let's select them and decrease the duration and see. Okay, so if you are done now, you can, if you maybe at the end you add your contact for them to call you. Okay, you can click here, add text, click on insert. Right, you can change the color. I want to use black color. Okay, you can also come to font and change the font, going with this one. If you are done, click here, then place it where you want it. Then I'm going to add my logo down here. Click on it. Okay, I'm going to add my logo here. I'll reduce the size and move it here. Okay, so basically this is how you can edit video using the Benin app. You can see we have a number of slides here. Now if you are done, if you want to add background music, you can click here. You can click on the music. If you want to add voiceover, you can click on it. Now you will be talking to explain what is going on. But if you want to add background music, I just click here, music track. They will take it to your folder where you can select your music. Now if you select the music, now you can click on a tick mark here. Okay, then if you want to play all your slides to see, click on the display button here. Now if you are satisfied with your video, you can click on this particular share button here. Click on it, then they'll ask you to give the name of your video again. Enter the name and click make movie. So this is how you can create a simple animation video using the Benin app.
Faith Cometh Multimedia. Thanks for watching.